Hi, I'm Samantha.
而我则是美嘉。
I'll dictate the voiceover of this demo.
我将念此 demo 的旁白。
First of all, do you see the blue circles?
首先，你有看见蓝色圆圈吗？
From the number within, we can know the last day we play each media.
由它的数字可以得知每个媒体是几天前被使用过。
This demo is focused on how to set the start and end time of a piece of MDP.
这个示范主要在展示如何改变一个片段的开始与结束时间。
Take a link from YouTube.
由 YouTube 取得一个连结，
Load it.
载入它。
Add a new piece.
加入一个片段，
Drag the button to the right will increase the time, and vice versa.
向右拖拉则会增加时间，反之亦然。
Back to start time to check whether it is correct.
按一下回开始时间，听看看是否设定到位。
You can set the end time by the same way.
您可以使用相同方法设定结束时间。
The amount corresponds to the distance.
增减的时间与拖动距离成正比。
Hold any colored button over 1 second will pop up a dialog.
压任意彩色钮超过1秒钟，就会跳出一个对话框。
Here you can set the current time as the start or end time.
在此，你就可以将当前时间设为开始或结束时间。
Get its subtitle.
取得字幕，
Paste it.
贴上。
How to add a new piece just next to the current one.
如何紧接着产生一个新的片段？
Jump to the end of current piece and then click the add button.
跳到当前片段的结尾，然后再按加号即可。
With the same process, you can set this piece's time period.
运用相同手法，您就可以设定此片段的时间区间了。
One more thing, you can tune its value by these buttons.
顺带一提，您可以透过加减有微调该值。
Skip. Store it.
保留它。
Now, it is in the list.
现在它在列表里了。
By the way, it has a new button named Daily Sample for you to take a sample.
现在它多了一个叫每日一例的钮，让您每日都可取的一个范例。
Now we turn to the
In this sample, it is a news from Formosa English News.
此日的范例为民事英语新闻的新闻。
Thanks for your watching.
谢谢您的观赏。
Voters passed a separate referendum